Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Kdenlive tutorials how to zoom in a video. Okay, as example I will insert video into this Kdenlive. You can right click, choose add clip or a folder, and I will use this example clip. Next I will drag this video into timeline. So if you want to zoom in this video, you can go to effect and then search for transforms. This is for transform. You can click and drag drop into a video. Click the video and be sure for the settings for zoom ins in the right bar. So in here I will set size like into 150. It will be automatically zoom in. You also can click on this red signs to move into another location. Okay, like this. If you want to back into normal, you can set size into 100. Okay, in here. Okay, that's it. How to zoom in Kdenlive software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.